We are back at it again here with another video. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome. To all subscribers, welcome back. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, in a tight range between 590 and all the way up towards 593 in today's volatility in the live action of the intraday trading. Now I want you guys to see here how the inflow versus outflow really works and how it's actually using this area of support followed by the confirmation of this bull indicator to possibly retest up here 591 to 592. I'm making this video in the live action. We're going to see how the day ends, but if this strength continues and the confirmations are there, we are going to possibly retest up here towards 591 to 592 at that outflow level. Now, in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bear indicator since 592, lasting all the way down to 589 directly over at our Discord. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up over 120% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and receive the clarity and edge within the volatility, check out the link down below in the description and join the members using 42 vision, our inflow versus outflow, to see the strength of supports and resistance and the strength of trend with the extra layer of confirmation of our bull and bear indicators. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Now, here we are with the SPY on the 3-minute with the bull indicator on the 5-minute. We are now seeing a bull indicator popping up, and I talked about this in my last post on Twitter, right? I went ahead and posted it here. I shared my thoughts, and I stated a bull indicator on the 3-minute on the QQQ. We'll watch if the 5-minute gets a bull indicator confirmation towards 525, and we're seeing the SPY do it, and we're also seeing the QQQ trying to push up and get that bull indicator, right? You have the 3-minute here with the bull indicator holding up in that tight range between the inflow versus outflows, and you have this area as a point of resistance. That's where our inflow versus outflow really gives us that edge, because we have support levels below here from yesterday's inflow driven day holding up the chart, the support from the pre-market, and now we're going for a retest and trying to retrace. We don't always retrace and retest guaranteed, but we tend to, right? Especially when those bullish confirmations are in, and we're seeing that here, and it's trying to push back above away from 590 towards 591.50 towards 592.80. And if that gets broken through, the next resistance above that, when we look at the 5-minute, we could see it's the same range, but when you pull up the 15-minute, it's a larger range. We rejected off that level where we slowed down yesterday, 591. We need to get back above it, 593, and then all the way up towards 594, guys. That's the next resistance if we can get back into this area of outflows. And our inflow versus outflow shows you here when those inflows are dominating. You can see the blue here, and the red is when outflows are dominating, and they tend to be strong areas of support and resistance within the volatility and the live action. And here we are trying to go back for another time to test into these outflow levels, and if we do, we need to break out above it to go for the next areas of resistance, because when we go all the way towards the 1 hour, we have a level up here of 594 to 596. So those are the key levels I'm watching to the upside. To the downside, it's going to be crucial to stay above 589 and above this outflow level from yesterday in the pre-market of 588 to 587. And then if that gets broken through, 586 all the way down to 584.50, guys. Those are the key levels to the downside and to the upside. But right here in the live action, I want you guys to see the strength of this bull indicator. And if we go and retest here, 591 to 592. It's going to play out in the next few hours. The market closes in 2 hours, but I want you guys to see here what it looks like and how the supports and resistance of our inflow versus outflow really gives that edge, as well as the bull and bear indicators add that extra layer of confirmation, especially when you see it on multiple time frames. You have the 3-minute here, and then now you have the 5-minute. It still hasn't closed and confirmed. It has 28 seconds and it disappeared. If this push goes higher again towards 590.30, 590.50, the bull indicator may pop up. So that is something to not ignore, that it needs to close and confirm. We saw it earlier in the video. It's not here, and it looks like this bar is going to close and confirm without a bull indicator. The volatility is still in effect, but the next few bars may continue the strength, and a bull indicator will pop up to confirm. in that volatility. Now you see it, no bull indicator just yet, but we have the 3-minute one still holding, no bear indicator, and it's trying to stay up here and retest above these levels. And you can see the resistance here of 590.58 from earlier in the day. Then you have up here 590.90, which we can just round it up to 591, and then you have up here 592 to 593 almost as a crucial level to break through, which is where things rejected and slowed down here today. And if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below to maximize whether stocks are going up or going down. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us and join the members using 42 Vision to maximize through the volatility and these charts. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.